Hi everyone, welcome back to Burnt and Delicious. Today we are making a super refreshing and healthy lemon ginger honey drink. Let's get started. And that's it, our homemade lemon ginger drink is ready. It tastes better than anything you can buy in the store. We got a pretty strong concentrate. From this amount of concentrate, we can make 8 full cups of drink. The proportion of mixing with other liquids is 1 to 3, which is great. Let's try our honey ginger lemon drink. I mixed it with water. It's so tasty, it's so refreshing, it's so natural, and it is so easy to make it. All of the ingredients are available at any stores. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.